This video will go over how to install Torklift frame-mounted camper tie-down part number F3001 for your Ford truck. These tie-downs bolt directly to your truck's frame, creating the strongest mounting option possible for a slide-in camper. Proudly made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, these tie-downs are powder-coated and built to last. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving it a like and subscribing to the channel for any future installs. Start by removing the acorn nut from the threads. Slide the crimped end of the receiver into the cross tube, making sure the welded-on bolt is facing the rear of the truck. Then slide the retainer bracket onto the welded bolt. Secure the bracket with the 1/2-inch lock washer and acorn nut. Repeat this to install the driver's side tie-down. When you're ready to use your tie-downs, slide the insert into the receiver and secure it with the provided 1/4-inch pin. Your installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.